Hello. So today I'm going to go for my favorite pizza combo, which is going to be pepperoni, bacon, pineapple, and jalapeno peppers. And for me, that's pretty much the perfect combination. Salty, sweet, smoky, and spicy. So anyway, this is my opinion, and yours may vary. But for me, it works on so many different levels. I never tire of it. Okay. This is where people freak out. These are the jalapenos I use. And they have onions, carrot, and it all tastes the same though. So if you see orange, it's just part of it. I use almost a full can. I used to use banana peppers, but I have since, I can't find them here in Mexico. I can find fresh, but the canned ones I cannot find. They have the peppercini, I think it's called, the Italian sort of banana-like pepper, but it's very thin skin, so it's not quite as good. It almost burns in the pizza, so I don't use it. All right. Put a little bit of cheese on there just to hold things together, but not to smother the ingredients. I do not want to steam my pizza toppings. I want them to all be sort of elevated by being caramelized a little bit. So that will keep everything from falling apart when I cut it, hopefully. But otherwise, it should be good. This to me is near perfect pizza. You can even see all the caramelization there. All right, so for this dough, I used my basic pizza dough recipe, but I cut down on the weight of the flour. So instead of 220 grams, which is what I normally do, I went with 200 grams, and I decreased the water. So normally I would do 120 milliliters, and in this case I did 100, 105 I think was the total final. But it ended up being a bit thinner crust, not much, but just enough. And I also did cornmeal in the base of the pan, which gave it a little bit of an air pocket, so it crisped up nice. So good. So what are your favorite pizza combos? Everybody has one. Your rainy day pizza order. Leave a comment below. And if you could please like and subscribe. It helps out with the YouTube algorithms and gets my videos in front of more people. All right, well, thanks for watching, and hasta.